It is my pleasure to show today a 1969 Pontiac GTO Judge. This isn't the first time I've stood in front of a judge. This is ground up restored in 2009. Pontiac Historical documented. What I love about it is the color. I remember the first time I seen this color. Second time I've owned this car, but I remember the first time years ago. It's like, I gotta have it. This special ordered Windward blue. That's a 4-speed. It has the hideaway lights. Go to volocars.com. You'll see 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. So it was restored in 09. The car presents very well. Clean, straight, beautiful car. I'm going to get up close and personal. There are minor flaws here and there. It's got the dual scoop functional ram air hood. All clean, all straight, all fits very nicely. The metallic is laid out nicely. A little imperfection right there, like a little blister or pimple. All this is nice, clean, straight, lines up real nice, all clean all along the bottom. Paint job's 15, 16 years old at least, and it's all nice and clean. No vinyl top, just a nice clean roof. The sail panel's all real nice. The line right around the wheel well molding, all of it's clean, straight, very nice body. A couple imperfections on here. Here's like a hairline crack in the clear coat. Here's like a circle, so a few imperfections on the spoiler itself. The trunk lid's nice and clean. This quarter panel's nice and clean all the way down here. Again, it fits real nicely, all nice, smooth. Shuts nice. Here's a hairline crack right here, just a little stress crack that's just in the paint. The roof is nice, the door is nice. I still don't see any rust or damage. I don't see any cracking in the paint. Here's a little chip in the paint right here. Now the front rubber bumper fits the car real nicely, and there's little imperfections in the paint. Here's a little chip, but again, stand next to this car, it's beautiful. No one's going to notice any of these chips I'm talking about or flaws. Optional hideaway lights. That would be a must for me if I was buying one of these. I think that makes the front end of the car. They do open and close. Original correct antenna. Windshield's in very good shape. Few just real minor little light scratches might be the original. The stainless trim is shiny and straight. Door handle's shiny. The emblems are shiny. All the moldings and rocker trim all nice and clean and straight. So the Judge comes with the stripes, the decals, the rear spoiler, and they don't come with trim rings. You might be like, why did they not put trim rings on? That's the way the Judges were. You could order them extra. The Rally 2 wheels are restored properly. They got the right lug nuts, the right center caps, even reproduction tires. Back bumper is probably original. Actually, when you get up close on it, it's got little freckles in the chrome, but it's nice and clean and shiny. Tail lights have probably been replaced. They look like new. Rear glass is original, typical light scratches. And you see the Goodyear polyglass tires wrapped around those wheels. Has a remote mirror, nice and shiny. So it's a good looking car. Let's open it up and continue the tour. All right, let's look inside the trunk. Under the trunk lid, nice clean. The jamb is clean, has the original seams. Inside, all nice clean metal with the spatter finish. Has a trunk light, has a new weather strip. Got a jack and a spare. Wiring's all nice and clean. That's what I call a clean and complete trunk compartment. This seems to be a good, honest car, folks. It's not a brand new out of the restoration shop rotisserie, but it's a good car. Fits nice, clean, straight, feels nice. Jambs are nice and clean. The weather strips were replaced. I like the blue interior. Door panels are nice and clean and straight, and the handles are shiny, and the armrests look really good. The original dash pad's in really nice shape. There's just a hairline crack right here. Nothing I would worry about. All real nice. So it's a little dark, but it does have the optional gauges instead of the dummy lights. And it has the tachometer in the dash. Heater control panel's nice and clean. It is an AM, FM radio. The knobs, the wood grain, all that's real nice. Ashtray slides nice. Has the Judge emblem. Inside here, looks like the owner's manual. And it comes with Captain and Tennille 8-track for the 8-track stereo. Oh, power trunk release as well. Kick panel, knobs, all real nice. Carpet's real nice. Has the Reproduction Pontiac mats. Has all of its blue original seat belts. Center console's real nice. Now the Judges come with the T-handle. That's factory. Seats are in really nice shape. They've been reupholstered, I'm sure. The headrest and the trim, all of it, it's all real nice shape. The seat back's original plastics, got some scuffs and marks on it. Nice carpet and mats. Wall to wall, the upholstery looks real good. That looks like it might be original upholstery, but in very nice shape. Has the mesh shelf back there. The trim around the back window is real nice. Headliner fits real nice. It's not all wrinkled up. Got the overhead belts. We got nice matching visors. Original mirror. Then we have a deluxe wheel on a tilt column, factory tilt. And under the dash is the ram air. You open and close it like it was raining out. And it has the trimmer on the pedals. So very nice interior. So that is a 400 engine. It does have the correct heads and intake. And it has the ram air setup on top. We just put a new foam on it. The chrome valve covers. All that looks nice and clean. The engine bay is nice and clean. The metal is painted nicely. Everything seems to be proper. The shroud, the cap, the squirters are hooked up. Has a Napa alternator. The sticker's still on it. We got power steering. We got power brakes. The wiper motor looks pretty fresh. So yeah, nice clean ram air engine compartment. Michael's going to show you how it runs. We'll see you in a few minutes.
Everybody, got a nice little GTO right here. Totally digging this special order color. This thing is sick, man. Really nice run at 400 with the ram air under the hood. That's always a pleasure. And we got the 4-speed manual. Really nice tilt column too. It does have the 8-track player. I was fiddling around with it. I don't think that is working currently. Just to give you guys a heads up on that. Our shop did go over the car and service it just like every other vehicle that we get here at the museum. Looks like between service and detail on this one, we came out of about a $4,100 bill. We did several things to it, including replacing the upper control arm bushings. So it's in very nice running and driving condition right now. It does have power steering on it. That is nice to have. And you can see this engine runs nice, clean idle there. Started right off for me with no issue. I will say the gas pedal is a little bit stiffer than average. But not like obscenely stiff. I just wanted to bring that to your attention, seeing that this is a demonstration video. And it looks like we're going to get a clearing in the traffic. So now, let's see what she's got. just like that, up to 60 miles an hour without an issue. Nice cruiser here, man. Somebody's gonna get a really cool car. Runs and drives nice. Very, you know, traditional ride and handling, seeing that it's redone, fairly fresh underneath. So that is consistent with the way that it drives. And yeah, someone's just gonna have a blast. So if you'd like to, you are more than welcome to come out and test drive the car yourself. If you're not able to do that, you can always hire a third-party inspector. We welcome them and let them use our facility shop, put it up on a lift for them to take a look at, everything like that. And yeah, outside of there, check out all the details on our website at volocars.com.
So underneath the car is very clean, proper, tidy. The floors are exceptional. I mean, they really look to be original rust-free metal. They're not pitted, just nice, clean metal. This has the ride and handling package with the sway bars and the control arms, and all that looks nice and clean, proper. It's been updated with some gas shocks, nice dual exhaust system with Flowmaster mufflers, brake systems in good working order. It does have disc in the front. I think that might have still been optional in '69. I'm not sure, but it does have the disc. Fuel system's all nice and clean. Look up at the motor, it's clean. Now the 4-speed is the number matched 4-speed for this car, and the rear end is the original, and it comes with 391 gears. So that motor, that 4-speed, the 391, this can be a fun car to tool around town with. Good looking car, good, honest, clean car, great color. I love it because of the color. I think it's priced very fairly. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your door. And if you need financing, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.